What is going on, guys? Tall Fisherman Jay here, and today I am very excited. Today, as you can see, it's actually still dark outside. It is currently 4:56 in the morning. So we're gonna gas up, we're gonna get coffee, we're gonna head out there. Let's do this. Swipe or chip? Thank you. You too. No. And we are off. We got about an hour of driving to do. There's no traffic, so it's gonna be smooth sailing. So it's gonna take us 45 minutes to an hour. I'm super stoked. Let's do this. And I know I gotta clean my freaking windshield. God. Oh, I'm on a fish. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yes. First tarpon of the morning, yes.
Right, keep it tight and don't force it.
All right. He's a little guy. I don't think he's gonna get me, but first tarpon of the morning, first tarpon ever. There we go. Woo. Calm down, bud. Calm down.
Swim. Man, that was a great hook set.
Yes.
Great hook set.
Oh, look at that. Look at right in the corner. Look, he's barely hooked too. Oh, he's running. All right, I'm gonna get him up. Need some cheapness. And there he goes.
Oh my God.
Leader touch though. That's a catch. Dope. We'll get another one.
See, if we both.
Oh, Trevor's on. What do you got?
Probably a little catfish.
Oh, catfish.
It hasn't jumped yet.
Yeah. What is that? Maybe a jack.
It's a jack.
Oh, not a jack.
That's a good.
Hell yeah, dude. It took him a while to jump. You guys, we've been out here for like literally 10 minutes and
This is a good little tarpon.
we are both on a tarpon. Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
It's a good little tarpon, guys.
Oh my God.
You just got it.
Oh my God, you guys.
I just saw it.
Oh my God, I'm over here recording Trevor. I literally just got exploded on by another tarpon. Oh my God, dude. Holy crap. Yo, we might double up right now.
Oh, I did like a 360 with him.
Yeah, you're getting it. But that's a big one, dude. He's taking you. Someone's line is here. See it?
Where?
Oh no, this is your line. Got him boat side, boys. Got him boat side. Woo! There you go. All right, guys, check it out.
All right, guys.
There's Trevor's tarpon.
Second tarpon of the day.
Hell yeah, dude. That's a nice
some
one.
footage. Let's get this guy back in the water.
Get that guy going. Revive him a bit. Oh, he's ready, dude. He's ready to get back out there.
There you go.
There he goes.
Just waiting for me to let go.
Hell yeah, man.
Woohoo!
Yes, bro.
Man,
Oh my God. Yep.
down.
Here we go.
Down.
Oh my God, he exploded on that thing, dude. That's a nice one too. Holy crap. I hope you guys saw that. My mullet was probably chilling right on top. Oh!
Did he come off?
Yeah, he's off. Jesus. He frayed me.
Frayed you?
Yeah, he frayed me this time. Yep.
He's
Come on.
He's on. Front
There
of
we
the
go.
boat. Front of the boat. Keep coming. All right, man. Down.
Oh, I got him. I got him. Woo! These tarpon, man, they're crazy.
All right, let
Guys,
him run.
on again.
Slack.
On again. The bite was off for like 10 minutes, but switch spots. We moved down a bit, and they are on once again. Same size.
Follow Fisherman Jay on a little tarpon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Dude. These guys never quit.
The little poons are popping today, boys.
They are.
On them monies. Dude, I got that jump on the store.
That's sick, huh? All right, guys, we got him boat side. I don't think he's tired just yet, so we're gonna give him all the time he needs because I don't want to lose this guy. Decent size. I think a little bigger than the one I had before. Jeez.
When they see the boat, they get
Yeah, they get nervous. Yeah, we're gonna do this proper. You may get frayed right now. One more jump, he's gonna fray. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
Get on your boat.
They're just so nasty, bro.
Dude, he's pooping all over your boat, dude. Woo! There you go.
That's your first tarpon.
My first official tarpon
because it disengages.
on the boat, guys. There you go. Check that out. Nice sizable tarpon. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. What a fight. What a fish. This is amazing. Fish. This is amazing. Fish. This is amazing. Fish. This is amazing.
Tall Fisherman Jay on his first tarpon, baby.
Topwater Trev putting me on. There you go. Look at that.
Man, excellent work. Nice job. Poops. Look at this poop.
Ew, he's ready to go back. All right, we're gonna revive him for a little bit. Make sure he's nice and healthy. And we're gonna set him loose. Oh, and he's off. Right under the boat.
Double high fives.
Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Go, rod. Trev's on. Trev's on. Get him. There you go. Still on?
Yep.
Nice. Trevor on. It just started to rain.
What's that?
You're off? Oh. I think it's a snook. Oh, tarpon. Little guy. Right when this rain turned on. Trevor on again. A little juvenile tarpon there. Started raining, so we were putting the bags in safe areas, and his rod just got smashed. Little guy.
It's a little shiner.
Yeah, it's just a giant shiner, you know. I think I've seen shiners that size up north. There we go. I don't know, 5th, 6th tarpon today?
Yeah, number 6.
Hell yeah, look at that.
Giant.
Sweet. Not the biggest today, but
Look at that.
there you go.
By the skin of his mouth.
There you go. I'm gonna
Alright,
release
guys.
this little guy.
Nice little tarpy.
Nice little tarpy on the old little mullet.
But he is ready to go. Be with his tarpon siblings.
There it goes.
Adios.
Sweet.
Tall fish.
Nice.
Oh, that's you. That's you.
Is that me? Yep, that's me.
That's you.
Oh wait, line's not running. There it goes. There it goes.
Down, rod down. There we go.
Dude, he came back for it. He's coming right forward. Oh, there we go. There we go. Whoa. Dude,
Tall fisherman.
he busted on it, came right back for this guy. Man, these things are crazy. Splashed there on that jump, huh? Get a jump on live or on oh, that's you, that's you. Holy crap, dude. No, he's on. I just saw him boil on it. Oh my God, you guys, we're about to double up on tarpon.
He's on for sure.
I don't know, I just saw him swipe on it. I don't know if he's on. Oh my God. Me and Trevor has just doubled up on tarpon, you guys. Holy crap. I haven't even gotten mine out of the water. Are you joking right now? What a way to end it. Whoa.
We're moving these guys out.
Holy crap. This is insane.
Oh no.
You lost them?
I lost him.
No. Under pressure.
Too much pressure.
Dude, that was crazy. We were both on, you guys. That was insane.
That was a good one.
Yeah, I saw him. That was twice the size of mine, I think. Holy crap. All I heard was a massive explosion.
Damn.
You want to throw another mullet on there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to get this guy. I think I can. Oh, and he's off.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. All right, guys. So we took a little break. Went back to the docks. Got some drinks. Got some chips. Went to the bathroom. We're back out here. We also got some more bait. As you can see, fresh mullet. So we're back out. We're gonna try and get a few, maybe some bigger ones. We got a little bit bigger size mullet to target the bigger tarpons. So let's see how the second half of the day goes. Look, there's that shark. I'm gonna try and get him. Look, there he is. He's right there. Oh, yay! Oh, yay!
You're on.
Yeah. Dude, I'm on.
Very lightly, vaguely lightly. Maybe light drag.
Yeah, I'm giving him drag. I'm giving him drag. Dude, no way. First shark and first tarpon. Oh, come on, just come up to the surface. We just want to see you.
Guys,
oh, there he goes.
saw this little shark swirling our mullets.
Oh.
On mono.
No way.
On mono, guys.
On mono, 30-pound mono.
30-pound mono.
To end the day off. There we go, little shark. Oh my God. He's good. There you go, guys. Got a shark on. We were literally on our last cast going for tarpon, and this shark came up and slurped up my last mullet. Look at this guy. It's actually my first shark ever, so what a day. A day of firsts. Ready? Now would be the best time. There you go. There you go. Woo!
Shark on the boat.
Shark on the boat. Was not expecting that at all. Holy crap. He has remoras all over him. Yeah, be careful, be careful. This guy has mean teeth. Can you see those pliers? Pass me those pliers. Just trying to get this hook out of him. There you go. All right, guys, we're letting this shark go. Got the hook out safely. A little aggressive one. He's ready to go back. Make sure he's good. Ready, bud? Wow, what a way to end the day. Yep, he's kicking.
Tall Fisherman Jay.
All right,
first shark.
there he goes.
There he goes, guys.
Woo, nice and healthy. Oh my gosh. Dude,
30-pound mono.
30-pound freaking mono. Who knew?
That is awesome, guys.
All right, guys, it is actually the next day, and I'm sorry I forgot to do a proper outro, but today was phenomenal. I had such a good time out on the water. Tarpon, sharks. I haven't caught either of those ever, so yesterday was a day of firsts. I'm actually headed out again today, right now, on the boat, so look forward to another video, another wild video, but on freshwater. If you guys do me a big favor, go and follow my buddy Topwater Trev. His name is Trevor. He's trying to hit 10K on Instagram. Go and show him some massive love. He took me out today. I wasn't expecting a day like this. I had a blast. One of the most fun days I've had fishing in a while, especially because of all this weather that's been going on. So definitely go and check out my buddy Trevor on Instagram. Follow him, show him some love, tell him I sent you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Actually, give it a big thumbs up for my first tarpon and black tip shark, I think. I don't know if it was a black tip, let me know. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you later.